Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the right camera and framing the subject. This matters for depth. Once done, pick portrait mode or the telelens if available because optical separation creates real bokeh. Make sure the subject is several feet from the background. More distance increases blur. Tap to lock AE/AF, then drag the exposure slider down a touch to preserve highlights. Keep the lens clean and steady. Small smudges will wreck edge detail. Now, prepare to control distance and focus for the next steps. Now you shape the blur by controlling focus, distance, and light. Use a manual app or AF lock to place the plane of focus exactly on the subject's eyes. This is why you see pleasing blur around them. Once focused, back the subject away from the background and move your camera slightly closer to increase apparent aperture effect. Add small, bright background highlights, string lights, chrome, or sun through leaves to turn blur into attractive bokeh balls. Finally, adjust exposure and white balance so highlights don't clip. You finish by stabilizing and recording clean takes. Use a tripod or gimbal and choose 24-60 FPS depending on motion. Once recorded, import to an editor that supports depth maps or selective blurs because you can enhance separation and refine the bokeh in post. Color grade to preserve highlight shape and avoid posterization. If results look flat, stop and check a few things. Clean the lens, increase distance between subject and background, or switch to the tele/portrait option. That usually fixes weak blur fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.